Hi guys, it's Alston. Yeah, I wanted to create a quick video covering this year's Black Friday deals from Appsumo. They just released it today and it is going to be going I think for another week or so, and we do have an extra 10% discount also automatically applied for all these deals. So in this video I'm just going to give you a brief overview on what each of this software does. Did I have any personal experience with it to give you a bit more idea. I also did an early video for Black Friday season for Appsumo. This is going to be the main video. So let me quickly see each of this in quick detail. We have the first one is session. It is sort of like a own video meetings or conferences app, which is really good. There are a lot of feedback and lot of stability to this software. Basically you can use this to host any sort of video meeting with multiple people with using this solution. Depositphotos, we already know it is a stock image website which helps you to find a lot of stock images. They also have really good quality amount of stock images, but they do also keep on, it is like a tradition with Appsumo. Every Black Friday deposit photo will come back for a stock image, where you can see if you are really need a stock image. If the premium collection, I believe they have over 195 million stock images. So if you are wanting something like that, it is a credit based deal. So for 39, I believe you get around 100 stock images, and depending on your need you can stack code up to 10, I think. Voilà is another productive extension. I do have installed this. In fact, I'm in a Chrome private browser, that's why I'm not able to show it, but my I like to use Edge for all my working. Inside that I use Voilà. It is really good it has all sort of functionality with a quick pop-up window. I can start using it anywhere I want to. Use chat gpt to rewrite, create or modify or help with my workflow. It is a really good extension. I use it a lot. Robomotion is a advanced but very mature tool which helps you to create repetitive tasks and make it automated. That is really good, and I believe it is a really good tool. That's the honest answer, because I didn't go for it. Still the complexity, it still complex me a lot. So I have just not yet tried this as of now. FUSEBASE, we already saw. This is the rebranding of Nimbus Note. I told that I had bad experience with Nimbus Note because of its lack of what do I say, robustness, because I prefer Notion. I find Notion much more effective, adaptability and feature rich. So I moved away from Nimbus, and now they are coming with much more improved backend with FuseBase, and they are done a lot of changes into that. I have the LTD, but still I haven't tested it out the new version, so I probably will do that. We also have a discussion thread for this inside our community also. I will leave a link in the description. SEOcrawl, this is another recommended product. I actually got it. I will create a video very soon for SEOcrawl. Basically SEOcrawl is not like other SEO tools comparing to Ahref, SEMrush. It's not doing what they are doing. Basically, even though it mentions them as their competitors, I don't believe it. Basically, what SEOcrawl is good at is, it is for if you want to make sense of your Google search console data and G for Google analytic data. So we get this data from Google Analytics and search console. When we connect it, we are able to see some data within that their portal itself, but most of the important way of using this data is hidden for us. So with SEOcrawl, what it does, it gives us those data in a creative way where it will make more sense to find hidden winners, losers, what we are doing good, what we are doing bad, what are the opportunity we are missing, all these things in really good detail. So if you are into seeing those kind of data, you can go with SEOcrawl. Acumbamail, this is a LTD which I have personally bought, but still I haven't used it yet. Still I'm using Cream Mail. I have not still started using it. Basically it is a email marketing campaign software. I like to use it, but still not yet used it. So still I am not able to give my honest opinion, but I do have a LTD with them also. WebWave, this I do not have any experience with it. I don't know whether it's good or not, but they do have over 165 reviews. It used to build custom website tailored to client without having to code. The concept is really good, but I don't have experience with it. Retable is another way to turn your spreadsheet into smart database which you can share with team members or other person. Basically, it is a way similar to the concept of spread simple, I might say, or ninja tables where we can connect G sheet to table. This is something similar we can do that. I do not have it and I don't have any personal experience. Logo diffusion, this is something new. We get it because all the deals which we are seeing right now is a past Appsumo lifetime deal which is making a comeback. But logo diffusion, it's a new one. To create logo, if you are interested in something like that, you might go for it. I don't have any interest on this particular thing because I am a subscriber to ChatGPT Plus, which I can use the Dolly inside that ChatGPT Plus to use for that particular reason. So I'm not going to be interested on that. But if you are, you might check out. They do offer a lot of features on their logo design features. ZeroWork creator, this I haven't learned more about it. I don't have any experience, even I haven't checked it out still. So this shows that I can build taskbots and sell them in a ZeroWork marketplace. No experience whatsoever with this particular software right now. BIGVU, this is something which I'm going to be purchasing this year for me because I missed it out last 2 times. They were coming on a lifetime deal. I thought, why not? No, I thought, why I need something like this, because I do have video editing softwares. I know how to create it. What is the big difference? For example, the main reason I'm considering to buy this particular software for me is that I do want to create more short content based video for YouTube shorts, Twitter and all these things, and BIGVU make that process much more easy. It provides teleprompter to easily create my own script generated using AI and then record the video from my phone with their mobile app, and it will automatically display all the prompts for me to read it out loud. It will automatically make them in cool little subtitles with all the editing features. So I thought, why not try it out? So I might pick up tier 1 or tier plan for this depending on my need for my YouTube video creation process. VBOUT, this is another like matured solution when it comes to marketing, which I know from our community members. We see a lot of good feedback with this, but I haven't personally tried it out, so no personal experience, but community responses have been really good for this. Vista Social, again, I haven't tried it. I haven't heard about a lot in my community as well. We haven't discussed this in detail. I personally use SocialBee Publer for my social media tasks, so that is, I'm good at it. I'm very comfortable with those particular tools. So this might be good for social media publishing, engagement and everything. Brilliant Directories, this is another really popular solution in community, which if you want to create your own directory or membership website, because the complexity comes with those kind of projects. To create something like that, you want to create, to manage, host it, update it, configure all little things, where you are taking your focus from what your business goal to the code stuff or on the unnecessary stuff. So that is what Brilliant Directory takes away from you, because they do have a huge product. Like, just you see the number of review on Appsumo, it is almost 5-star tacos, like 798 reviews. So it is well established product, so that might help you to focus on the important thing rather than this. The reason I didn't buy this is, even though they are really good at what they do, they are big on what they do, and you see all this review, I personally a person who is more comfortable with self-hosting any of my project. So when I go into an important project for my personal need or something which I am creating, I prefer to use any not open source, but any solution which I can self-host, from a WordPress theme WordPress plugin, WordPress, or any other solution which I can manage. That way I know that I'm 100% confident that the root software is not going to go away. That does not mean I'm saying that Brilliant Directory is going to go away or something like that, but I like to keep everything self-hosted. That's why I have avoided Brilliant Directory or any other directory solutions in general. So the next one is TruConversion. This is also funnel tracking optimization. I do not have any personal experience with this, but you see the number of reviews they have got for this particular one. It's 1,150 or something like that. So that might be a good one to check it out if you are interested in sales page optimization. Clinked is a way to manage your documents and projects through your own branded client portal. So if you want to manage all your documents inside one single place, this something might be good for you. I don't need it because I have several other products which does the same thing for me. SUPERMACHINE is a way of to generating art or images. So in this latest modern age, even stock image sites are getting little bit down on the demand, I would say, because AI image creation is the new trend in these days, because everything we can generate with AI. So if you are looking for something to do with generation of AI images and all the features, SUPERMACHINE might be a good option for you guys to check it out. Fraud blocker, this is something which you want to use if you want to prevent accidental or spam clicks on your PPC, to make sure that you are optimally optimizing your Google ad spend or any other PPC spending. So this is something, if you are interested in, you can check it out. I do not have any personal experience with this. Spoken, I don't have any experience with this. I haven't heard about it until now. Basically, it says that remote interviews conducting and produce podcasts in a snap. Maybe it's a good one, but I don't have any personal experience with it. This is also same one. Gumlet.video, it is our solution where you can host your videos in cloud and use that to play it. You can use YouTube or something like that, but the problem is with YouTube, it's a public site. They have a lot of regulation. They also reduce your YouTube video quality and everything, and also they will display all your other YouTube videos also at times, and they provide a lot of problems. So if you are designing a website for your client, you don't want to host that video within your website client server itself, because that will consume a lot of bandwidth. It might make your website slow and everything. So something like Gumlet.video, which you can use to host this video and deliver it. There are other alternative solutions like Bunny, and I personally use Wave.video for that particular user. Wave.video, which I just mentioned, where not only it can host your videos but help you to create videos from templates, your own from scratch, and also it helps you to stream videos into your social media channels also. Basically, it's a all-in-one suite related to videos. This is a really good one. I have my personal usage on this as well. I have the Wave.video and I use it a lot. The next one is AppMySite, and this is a LTD which I already own also. Basically, this is a no-code app builder which helped me to create Android and iOS file by converting my WordPress website, where I don't need to do any code or anything like that. I just connect my WordPress website to this AppMySite, and it will turn that particular WordPress site into a mobile application for me. So this is also a okay solution for me, where if you want to create a quick mobile app with not a lot more customization, can be a WooCommerce store or a WordPress website, it will do that for me here. So that is AppMySite. Wobb, I don't have any personal experience. This seems to be a brand new product comes into this platform. Maybe I'm not interested in this particular software for my personal need, but maybe it's a good one. I don't know. Sorry. Ocoya, this is another software which is came into the community, and it had a lot of attention because it said that it used AI solutions within social media strategies to create own social media marketing posts and everything. Since I'm not doing that, I didn't invest much time into checking out this particular product. So it might be interesting for you, but I do not have any experience with this. closely. It is a cold outreach platform, but I do not have any personal experience with this. It is using LinkedIn and email to build a database and help you to outreach. I'm just explaining the basic here if you get an idea, because I don't have any experience with this personally. I use Limlist and couple of other solutions for that need. Content space, I do have this Ltd. It used to be really good in my way, but still it does what it claims to do. So that is not a con with this particular software, because it helps you to create content optimizer, and the main feature, it helps you to create outline for your blog post from all your competitor data. It provide the data in a really great interface view. I have created a dedicated video for this also in my channel, so if you are interested in that, you can check it out. The problem with this, that it used to be a unique feature, but nowadays almost all the content optimization AI tools, even SEO tools, is coming up with a content outliner feature that makes it bit more less effective. Rather, if they, unless they make something significant, which I don't know, because I have been not using that tool for last month or so, unless they came up with something good. Still, it is a good tool at what it does, but still other tools are overcoming that with a lot of features. Chopcast is another tool which I'm interested to check it out, but I still see a lot of bugs or important features missing out in the app currently. Basically, it cuts out long form videos into clip promoting on your social media content, which might be helpful for someone like me as a content creator. That's why I'm saying that I will check this out, but still I'm not on the go side yet. I'm still on a negative side. Basically, if they convince me, I might go for it. Storipress, this I checked it out. It looks like a really good, robust solution to manage all your content calendar, stories and article. Not something suited for someone like me, where I'm a small case with handling small amount of work. But if you are a team or handling for a news site or blog with a lot of authors, publishing management and everything, maybe this might be a good fit for you, because they does a lot of those things here. It looks like a really robust solution, but I don't have any personal experience. The next one is to call Orimon.ai, which helps you to build ChatGPT like chatbot for your website under 2 minutes with enable self focused. I just created another video where you can easily create knowledge base files with URL for ChatGPT, where you can use something like that to create your knowledge base and create a chatbot with this or any other chatbot solution on the market. There are a lot of them coming out, and this is something for you. Consolto, this Ltd, I do have it. Basically, it helps you to create a widget within your website. Possibly you might use this in a example like a business website, where you use it as a lead conversion widget, but you can make it as a book a meeting by asking them to pay. You have all the payment option available, scheduling option, all the video chat appointment, all those things with that. So if you are looking for something like with website chat option which starts to work as a lead magnet, then once you get their attention, you can use this same tool to make payment, scheduling and go into a video chat mode also. So that this is a good tool, but still I haven't explored it fully, but I do have this Ltd also. Dezygn, I don't have any personal experience. I still haven't looked at it, so I can't comment any on it. This is something which is interesting for me, because you guys know that I am an SEO person. I love SEO tools, and when we say SEO, something like PowerSuite, Ahref, SMrush, all these things comes into the mind. And if you are a technical SEO guy, especially something like Screaming Frog or coming into my mind. And Netpeak is one such solution, because they are good at what they do. They still try to make some optimal designs, and to help with bulk data gathering, bulk data analysis, scraping, crawling and everything. And they are bringing Netpeak Spider and Checker bundle. This is a good one if you are more into technical SEO side. you might check it out. I will personally, I will do more checking into that, and if limits are good, I might go for it. But I do have a lot of SEO tools, but let's see. But this is something which personally interests to me. Storiad, I don't have any other explanation on that. Basically, it helps you to with your book publishing and marketing. I don't have any other experience with it to give you much more in depth on that. The next one is something called Ping Home, which checks for uh, ping with your domain monitoring. The solution sounds interesting, but I personally see a lot of free tools also does same thing. Like, it gives you a lot of ability. There are other LTDs also, so if you are looking for something like this, it might interest you. But I have around another solutions which helps me to track this same thing for me. So those are the Black Friday deals right now. Basically not a lot of wow deals for me, because I have 50% of LTD already available. Most are making a comeback, so in case if you miss something, you might get it. Something like BIGVU for me with the teleprompter function. But apart from that, you check it out, and if you are interested into seeing what are the other members opinion, we are discussing the Black Friday deals for Appsumo in our community. We are also running a poll in our community to see what are the tools they already have, whether they are liking it or not. So if you are interested in seeing that, come into our Facebook community and check it out, and will leave a link in the description for this page also. So if you are interested in checking out this deal, click on that link. It will help me to make a commission if you make any purchases, but it does not affect your sales price, but helps me to support my channel to create more videos like this. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in another great video. Cheers.